Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm making a sample of painting for a young fashion designer and was giving a reference photo. I've sketched the tiger and put the darkest color, which is black, and let it dry. And now I add brown and some more orange on the required area. Here I paint soft brown on the background by mixing brown and the water. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that here and the most of the time I use transparent fabric paint. And I also add some more black on the tiger pattern. I color the eyes with pale creamy yellow, and I also emphasize the eyeliner so the tiger looks more threatening. Here I paint the wheats around the tiger with lime green and add some more shading between the wheats. Now I start painting the water. I use blue and a bit magenta to create purpley blue. And I also put the blue on its face to express the reflection of the water. I add more color on the tiger as well to make it more saturated. And finally, I need to lighten and darken the wheats to make them clearer. And in the end, add more white lines for the whiskers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.